Abuja, Mama Akwaba, I'm Watanase at the bar NBTV on YouTube, trending stories on social media. Now, for the past 2, 3, 4 days near, and oko social media, na ubi Facebook, or TikTok, or YouTube, browsers, and any other platforms are all waswa. Ghana ni ababawa bakwa ni hunsem atop a chart on social media. Aya ababawa fefefe ya other screens wa osheni. She's a broadcast journalist by name Serwaa Amihere. Na the Intiama for the past 2-3 days atop a chart on social media. Young Crawford Ekan Honsem and I say ne Honsem a trend on social media and it's one year brand TV friend Henry Akwakoda Empem ama ehum foni ene videos bi aba abonten sexually ene na ema wo trendy our social media. Yes, picture when I make one sem no. Now the question is, I think Serwaa Amihere a matured person. And the Harry in question also is a married man and also a matured person. Now, Eban is saying, now these two matured people will be in bed naked and will be taking photos and videos. So we'll share pictures and videos now. Sources on the say, Serwaa Amihere and Anna a taking photos and videos. Now, let me run you down a little bit. The Henry guy in question here in the picture was screen so Oshe is a married man, married to this beautiful lady here Oshe our screen. Now this slim young guy, per research and the news making rounds on social media indicated that he has slept with a couple of people, a well-known people in the country. Now some come away by social media now. I had the talk of the town. Yawubia Eka. Now, let me take you down to a post where Serwaa Amihere made in the 27th of November 2019 at 9:42 a.m. Serwaa Amihere, broadcast journalist, currently working with GH1 television in Accra. She made this post on the said date saying, "Why do you take and send nude pictures to your partner?" This is a post made by this beautiful lady you see on your screen. Why do you take and send nude pictures to your partner? Now, this same person here will make a such posting. This same person is in bed taking photos and videos whilst naked with a partner. So, I don't get it. Maintain it. Now, some comedian by a talk of a town, all the media personalities or all well-known people are talking about it. Then they are tagging a couple of people with hashtag this guy Harry in question has slept with this and this and that. One person that most social media handles are here tagging on a Wendy Shea. Wendy Shea made a post via X last night. Yesterday, and this is how it reads. Whoever is behind, actually, she was, trying to say something about whoever is behind a Ghpage on Facebook. So let's read how she made this very specific post. As you've seen on your screen, whoever is behind Ghpage is an idol. How can you tag me along with this? What is that? Freaky Lingeling guy. Journalism has become cheap in this country. Just wait for what is coming. Gonna wake up. So this is a post by Wendy Shea. Odi post in the Betoa. Then over the weekend I talked about one of the most stubborn guys on social media, Bongo Ideas, replied to Wendy Shea post saying, "Stop sleeping with them, and they will stop also tagging you." So it became, exchange of words on social media between Wendy Shea and Bongo Ideas, and also what screen also now. Another source also is saying this Henry guy in question is now a divorcee. Oba and then a warrior. Actually, he He had such a very beautiful wedding, luxurious wedding. If you watch a couple of videos on social media, the guy, this gentleman in question, had such a very beautiful wedding, and his wedding was the talk of the town. Now he's a divorcee, according to the sources. Now, the question I am asking here is, who posted the uncovered pictures between Henry and Serwaa on social media? Is it another side chick? Is it the Henry guy in question in the name of blackmailing the lady? Or it was the lady in question whose phone got mixing, or by wrong hands people, and they released these photos and pictures, or what? So